Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the can of beans into a viable container. This is the only way we'll use that can. First, remove labels, clean residue, and dry. Once done, drill or punch 3 to 4 drainage holes. Roots need outlet. Make sure to smooth sharp edges so you can handle the can safely. Next, add a thin gravel layer to prevent clogging, then fill with lightweight potting mix to about 3/4. This creates the basic root environment and avoids soggy soil that kills seedlings. Now you plant. Place either 1 to 2 seeds or a small 1-inch seedling into the can. Press soil lightly in water until evenly moist. Avoid puddles. Once planted, position the can where it receives 4 to 6 hours of morning sun. This encourages steady, non-leggy growth. Make sure to rotate the can daily so the plant grows upright and evenly. If indoors, use a small saucer. If outdoors, lift periodically to check drainage. These steps control light, moisture, and root health as plants establish. Finish strong by caring for the plant until harvest. You should fertilize every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced formula like 10-10-10 or a diluted liquid feed. This replaces what the small soil volume lacks. Once fruits or leaves mature, harvest selectively to prolong production. After 2 growing cycles, replace soil entirely to prevent nutrient depletion and disease buildup. If you see yellowing or wilting, first check drainage and watering rhythm. Then adjust light exposure and inspect roots. Those checks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.